Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to recover deleted chat on Instagram. You can recover Instagram deleted chat easily. I will show you on my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Android phone. So let me open Instagram application. Okay, so let open application. The application has been open now. So if I go to the messenger or message section, so if you delete your send message, or if the person delete the message which he had or she had sent you, so how you can delete it, how you can recover it. So there is a simple process. Okay, so go to your profile, click on your profile photo, and here go to the option and go to the settings. In setting you will find the option called privacy. In privacy you will see the option. mm, yeah, okay, just come back and go to the security. Okay, go to the security, and here you can see found option like download data. So this option will download your all data, like your file, comments, everything data. And this is your email id, so you can change the email id, but don't change email id. So Instagram will send you the link on this email id. Okay, so send the link, give the request, and here you have to enter the password for process. Okay, so guys, I just forgot, actually I forgot my password. So just click on next, then you will receive the link on your email id. Then from open this email id link, and then you can download your data as a zip file. Then open the zip file, and under the zip file you will see all data like photo, comments, and everything. So go to the chat or messages, or you can record your you can open the deleted chart, or you can record deleted chart. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.